Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a good morning. Today is 12th of March. So let's see exactly what we have for the day. These are the symbols where we have a very good trend. We have Euro GBP where we're looking for a buy. Euro CAD, we're looking for a buy. Euro AUD, we're looking for a buy. Euro CHF, we have a long-term sell. GBP USD, we have a sell. GBP JPY, we do have a long-term sell. Then GBP CHF, this also has a similar trend. GBP CAD, we had some sell on buy on 1 hour, pause, but then on the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes we have a sell. AUD JPY, this is an active sell, so this one you should be looking for sell positions. Then AUD CAD, we have some sell here, and then there's a buy on 4 hours and 1 hour. AUD CHF, we have very good sell. So if you're trading AUD CHF, AUD NZD, NZD USD, NZD JPY, NZD CHF, these are all sell positions. USD JPY, we have a sell. USD CHF, we have a sell. And then CAD CHF, CAD JPY, and CHF JPY, we do have a sell. So that's based on the trend indicator. If we are looking based on the strength, then we have CHF as the strongest. We have JPY as the least, as the second strongest. Then GBP as the weakest. We also have AUD as the last, as the most weakest symbol. So let's see what we have. Let's start now. We're going to start with the pair on the symbol on our screen. This is gold. Gold. Let's see what we have. So gold, so far we've seen price continue to the upper side. We are in an active uptrend. The price continues to move to the upper side. That's just in line with what we mentioned previously. We did expect price to proceed much higher, and that's exactly what it has been doing. The price continues to move upwards, and then yesterday we saw some decline. There's this drop, a drop, and a drop, and so speaking now, the price is still somehow heading to the. So if you look at this chart now, expect some continuation to the upper side. The current move which we are seeing to the lower side is basically just a correction. So based on this indicator, the alligator indicator, we are upwards. Based on the ADX indicator, we are still upwards. Based on price action, this level we drew here, we are still upwards. So the move which we are seeing now, this one is just a correction. So we'll move forward. Let's move forward to our next symbol, a Brent oil. And the Brent oil is bearish. We have a very good downtrend. Based on this indicator, we are bearish. Then the ADX indicator, we are still bearish. And then we have this, a very good sell, a support, sorry, a support, a support, a support, there's a break above, a break below. As we are speaking now, this is still downwards. So expect maybe a pullback up to where this thing started, so that you can pick a sell when the price gets there. Supposed to pick a sell, expecting the sell to take price much lower. So let's move forward. Let's move forward to our next symbol. SP500. So SP500 is actively bearish. The price is continuing to the lower side. We've seen a very good downtrend. As we're speaking now, if the price pulls back, maybe if the price pulls back up to this point, 2744.4, then this should give us a correct place to pick a sell from. So overall, we have a downtrend. We do have a downtrend based on the other indicator. Then the price is below a very good support, 2744.4. If the price can pull back up to this point, then this should be the correct place to pick a sell from. So we'll move forward to GBP USD, this one. This is bearish. We have a very good downtrend. The price moved to the lower side. As we're speaking now, we are at we are in a downtrend. We want price to retrace back up to the previous day's opening price, up to around 1.2893, so that we can pick a sell from that point up to this level, to 1.2526. So if the price can pull back up to this level here, then that should give us the correct place to sell it from. The idea is to wait for price to come back to this level, then we pick a sell up to 1.252623. Next symbol, USD/JPY, we are in a sell. We have an active downtrend. We also have an active downtrend based on the indicator, and based on price action, we are actually below a very good support. This one, a support, broken, a resistance. So if the price can come back the second time, then this will give us the correct place to sell it from. So let's see the next symbol, Euro USD. We have this. We have this, a resistance, this is a break above. Then yesterday we had a bearish pin, but this one. So we expected price to go up to this support. So far that has not happened. So following the fact that we have a bearish pin bar, we expect price to go up to this level, 1.1214. So if you're looking at this chart now, you better be expecting a sell up to this level. And then if the price bounces off from this point, expect a move up to 1.1449. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's webinar. If you have any questions, kindly feel free to post them for me under the chat. So thank you. See you.